Hello and welcome to Truecloud's webcast presentation, The Impact of ERP Cloud Computing on the Medical Equipment and Supplies Distribution Industry. The U.S. medical equipment and supplies distribution industry includes about 7,000 companies with combined annual revenue of about $130 billion. Of the 7,000 medical equipment and supply distribution companies, 50 companies, or less than 1%, account for 70% of the overall industry revenue. The question is why? With over 7,000 companies in the exact same line of business, why is it that 50 companies can earn more revenue and profits than 6,950 of their competitors combined? Our 2012 Medical Equipment and Supplies Distribution Industry Analysis, which we will be sharing with you over the course of this webcast, will demonstrate that two of the key reasons are 1. Cloud computing, and 2. ERP. More specifically, their ability to leverage cloud computing and ERP to increase revenue and profitability through the seamless integration of all of their business processes, resulting in real-time financial and operational visibility, better cost management structures, improved forecasting and revenue tracking, and the ability to access and submit company, customer, and vendor data from anywhere they have internet access. The impact of these improvements in their business operations have led to reductions in operating costs of up to 35%, reductions in outstanding receivables by up to 80%, reduction in the number of past due customers by up to 47%, an increase in customer touches by up to 500%, a 360-degree view of company, customer, and vendor intelligence, which has substantially improved their productivity and profitability. So what led these top medical equipment and supply distributors to be early adopters of ERP cloud computing? Well, they realized, first of all, in the area of cloud computing, that cloud computing could provide them with third-party IT capabilities in the form of hardware, software, application, and services via the internet in a way that allowed them to buy only the type and amount of computing services they needed, exactly when they needed it, and in a manner that was faster, more effective, and at a lower cost than their in-house IT infrastructure models could provide. Gartner research shows that these early adopters made the right choice, as cloud computing is projected to virtually double in revenue from $109 billion to over $207 billion by 2016 as mainstream distributors now move to adopt to what is now a proven technology. Let's take a look at what led top medical equipment and supplies distributors were early adopters to move to cloud ERP computing and the specific value they have received. Here is what the typical process flow of a medical equipment or supplies customer order was before these industry leaders moved to cloud ERP. When a customer placed an order, the order began a mostly paper-based journey from in-basket to in-basket around the company, often being keyed and rekeyed into different departments' computer systems along the way. The inefficiencies in time and processes in the order moving to different in-baskets caused delays and lost orders, and the rekeying of information into different computer systems invited errors. Meanwhile, no one in the company truly knew what the status of an order was at any given point because there was no way for the sales or customer services departments to get into the warehouse's computer system to see whether the item had shipped. This created a series of phone calls and emails between the different departments that frustrated both employees and customers. As a result, many medical equipment and supplies distributors spent the past few years correcting these inefficiencies through system automation. This diagram shows how a typical mid-sized distributor acquired system automation on an as-needed basis. For example, when a solution was required to keep track of prospects and leads in the sales organization, generally the choice was made to go out and acquire and install CRM software. Similarly, when a company could no longer run off spreadsheets or QuickBooks because those solutions would no longer scale with the growth of their business, they added a financial accounting package. This progression of adding point solutions continued until these companies reached a point where they had a series of one-off point solutions. And these once simple solutions now required complex forms of integration that they weren't really designed for, resulting in what oftentimes was a hairball of disparate components. When the inefficiencies of the one-off system automation model became too great for these companies to bear, they moved on to a system automation model that cloud computing was specifically designed for, and what has made cloud computing the rage for medical equipment and supply distributors that it is today. This is called cloud ERP computing. A cloud-based ERP system eliminates the old standalone computer systems in finance, HR, manufacturing, and the warehouse, and replaces them with a single unified software program, divided into software modules that roughly approximate the old standalone systems. Finance, manufacturing, and the warehouse all still get their own software, except now the software is linked together so that someone in finance can look into the warehouse software to see if an order has been shipped. ERP cloud computing allows you to see exactly where your medical equipment or supplies distribution business is at any second of the day. You can see how much revenue you've earned for the day, how much inventory you have, down to the penny, and how you are trending over previous days, months, and years. A cloud-based ERP system allows you to take the pulse of your business at any time and from any place you have internet access. Now let's take a look at some of the other advantages of ERP cloud computing. Improved integration, visibility, and automation. Again, a cloud-based ERP system provides seamless integration of all business processes and systems, real-time financial and operational visibility, programmable dashboards with drill-down capabilities, and multi-entity consolidation and automation. ERP cloud computing provides you with a more sophisticated financial management system, providing better forecasting and revenue tracking, improved trending intelligence, better cost management structures, and improved adherence to accounting and regulatory standards. Another advantage is increased customer satisfaction, as systems don't require data reentry and there is no data confusion caused by multiple systems. Additionally, all departments have a 360-degree view of customer intelligence, and customers have access to order and account status 24/7 by 365. As a cloud-based system, you have anytime, anywhere access to applications and data from anywhere at any time, including the ability to submit data from anywhere, immediate access to customer, vendor, and channel data, providing improved support to remote employees in satellite locations. One of the most surprising areas of savings is in the area of IT cost savings. First, you can eliminate space required for in-house servers and storage space. Second, when you need increased server storage capacity, it can be turned on much like a valve and delivered from the cloud in hours without the need of an in-house resource. Third, you can replace advanced desktop computers with inexpensive computer terminals that only need to have the capacity to access the cloud application over the internet. Fourth, instead of buying new software and software licenses for all employees, you can pay by usage and save money again. Fifth, you can acquire new functionality without the risk of in-house applications and the cost of in-house development, maintenance, and support, as cloud applications are designed and supported by application experts. And sixth, you can begin to invest in IT solutions that meet your business needs instead of buying solutions that fit your current IT environment. But for most companies, they move to ERP cloud computing because it increases their profits. Here is a testimonial regarding the increased profitability derived from a key distributor that just last year implemented cloud ERP. I received the following results by moving to the cloud. Cut administration costs 35%, increased cash flow by reducing outstanding receivables by 80%, reduced the number of past due customers by 47%. Integrated business processes have eliminated redundant and overlapping customer data, resulting in greater efficiencies across the business. and anywhere, anytime access to real-time, end-to-end business information has helped the company substantially improve productivity. Thank you for tuning into our Truecloud webcast, The Impact of Cloud ERP on the Medical Equipment and Supplies Distribution Industry. We hope you have found the information of value. Thank you, and have a great day.